Welcome to QuickTale English. This is a simple story about a student and a new neighbor. My new neighbor is famous. Mark is a student. He is 18 years old. Mark lives in a small apartment. His apartment is on the second floor. Mark likes to watch videos on his phone. He likes the app TikTok very much. Mark has an old neighbor. Her name is Mrs. Smith. Mrs. Smith is old and quiet. But 1 week ago, the apartment next to Mark is empty. The old neighbor moves out. Now, a new neighbor comes. The new neighbor is a young woman. Her name is Lucy. Lucy has many big boxes. She moves the boxes into apartment 2B. Lucy is tall. She has long, dark hair. She looks very healthy. Mark sees Lucy. Mark thinks, wow, she is very pretty. Maybe she is important. Lucy starts her new life. Mark sees Lucy every day. Mark notices two things about Lucy. They are strange things. Thing one, Lucy always wears black clothes. The clothes are new. They are expensive sportswear. She looks like a professional athlete. Thing two, Lucy always carries a big bag. The bag is black and silver. The bag is heavy. Lucy also wears big black headphones. She listens to music loudly. She moves her arms when she walks. She moves fast. Mark thinks about TikTok. Mark watches a famous star. The star's name is Dancing Lou. Dancing Lou is very famous. She dances fast on TikTok. She wears black sportswear. Mark opens his phone. He watches Dancing Lou's videos. Dancing Lou looks very much like his new neighbor, Lucy. The hair is the same. The clothes are the same. The strong, fast movements are the same. Mark goes to the window. Lucy leaves the building. She runs to a taxi. She is in a hurry. Mark thinks, yes, she is a famous TikTok star. She goes to the city for a big show. My neighbor is famous. Mark tells his friends, my neighbor is Dancing Lou. She is famous. I live next to a star. Mark is very excited. His friends laugh. They say, no, Mark, she is just a girl. Mark does not believe them. But Mark is also confused. Dancing Lou's videos are from a big house. Lucy lives in a small apartment. How can this be? Mark watches the door of apartment 2B all the time. He waits for Lucy. Finally, Mark sees Lucy again. She does not carry the big bag this time. She carries a long plastic sign. The sign is heavy. The sign has big red letters. Mark reads the sign very carefully. The sign says, Zumba class, dance teacher Lucy, fitness studio, every Tuesday, 6 p.m. Mark stops. He is quiet. Lucy is not a famous TikTok star. Lucy is a dance teacher. She teaches Zumba. The black bag holds her music equipment. The sportswear is her uniform. She moves fast because she is a teacher. Mark laughs a little. He is wrong. He is very wrong. But he is also happy. His neighbor is not a star. She is just Lucy. Lucy is friendly. Lucy sees Mark. She smiles at Mark. She waves her hand. Mark waves his hand back. Hello, Lucy, Mark says. Hello, Mark, Lucy says. Mark smiles. He goes back to his apartment. He is no longer confused. Mark learns a small lesson. Not all people with sportswear and big bags are famous. Sometimes they are just very good dance teachers. This is the simple life. Thank you for joining QuickTale English. Subscribe for more easy stories and easy English words. See you next time.